Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2020 Honda Fit. This 4-door, 5-passenger hatchback offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and ABS brakes. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.